We will see how the indentation works and how the comment works by taking a couple of examples. Let us type code in Atom. Say if 8 is greater than 2, print 8 is greater than 2. Let's execute this. In this case, I have provided a indent. Fine. 8 is greater than 2. It works. Now, what we'll do is we'll meddle with this and see whether it works or not. I'll copy and paste the same thing, and instead of providing the space in the print, I will take out that space. So let's go ahead and execute this. No, it complains. It says indentation error, expected an indented block. We need to be really careful about the indentation when you are writing a Python code, because in other programming languages we are able to differentiate between the blocks by braces and flower brackets and all those things. But here in Python, indentation is important. With the indentation, there will be a differentiation between the blocks. Let us take one more example. Let us take this. Now, so I'll say else. Else, if 8 is greater than 2, and else, because else goes with if, both of them should be at the same level, same indentation, and print should be at the same indentation. So this should work. It works. Now, what we'll do is, instead of else at the same level of if, we'll take out and move that to the this one. Let us see what happens. You can see, right? It complains. So indentation is important. We took a couple of examples and you are able to visualize how do we indent. Now that we have seen indentation examples, we'll go ahead and see the comment. We'll use the same code, simple code for the comment. Say we have seen for comment, we got to use the hash. So this is a comment. Awesome. Let's go ahead and execute this. You can see first line is a comment. What we have done is we have introduced a hash here. That is the reason this is neglected. This will not be included for interpretation. Now what we'll do is we have added a single line comment. Let us try to add multi-line comment. I'll copy and paste the same thing here. The second line, excuse me, comment. This also would work because we have added a hash to the second line as well. Both these lines are comments. It works. Wonderful. Now, how do we add more than 2 lines? If we have only 2 lines, we can go ahead and provide the hash. But if it is more than 2 lines, we cannot go on adding hash to each of the lines, right? So then what we can do is we can embrace this as a part of the triple quote. As we have understood, anything which is in the triple quotes which is not assigned to a variable, Python considers that as a comment. Let me go ahead and execute this. Okay, we have a multi-line comment here. We have embraced that in a triple quotes. It works. Wonderful. We have seen how the indentation works, how the single line comment works, and how the multi-line comment works. We can use all these things as a part of your Python coding in the upcoming classes.